AI design is quietly becoming exceptionally good, and we can now design everything from websites to documents to ebooks to social media content in seconds using natural language. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that for a whole host of surprising use cases. We're going to start off with some simple, relatable experiments and go through to complex business use case for creating professional design in seconds. If you're new here, I'm AI Samson, and on this channel we explore the creative potential of AI. Now, if you're not using AI for design, you're going to get left behind, because if you're going through Canva and trying to create every slide on your own, it's going to take you 10 times longer than someone leveraging the latest agentic AI design systems. Now, for this video, I have teamed up with Gamma to bring you an exploration of some of the most interesting use cases for AI design. Now, Gamma is your all-in-one AI designer. I use this often for planning out my videos. For example, I put in a simple prompt to generate a presentation all about Meta's new Ray-Ban glasses. And what it did is it went through and generated this beautiful presentation with real-life images taken from the web and actual information that is entirely relevant to the subject. So it's generated this highly useful presentation that I can then use as a basis for developing a video. Now, what amazes me is that it creates a highly aesthetic and usable design that you can go ahead and edit yourself. So you can simply type inside it anything that you want to change. Now, what's great is you can also use an agent to make changes on your behalf. So you might say something like, change all photos to illustrations, and then it'll fly off and turn all of your photography into beautiful illustrations. And here you can see it's generated an illustration of that exact situation. But let's go ahead and build one from scratch together. So all you have to do is come to gamma.app/create and go to generate. And from here, you get to select presentation, web page, document, or social. Let's go ahead and make a web page. Now, you can ask it to prompt out the content for you, or you can go ahead and paste in a URL and use that as the basis of your content. Now, I'm going into the world of public speaking and trying to create a website for my public speaking persona. So I currently have a Notion document with a few testimonials and a little bit about my speaking experience. But I want to turn this into a fully fledged website. So I can simply take this link, pop it in, go to generate outline, and it will give me an entire outline for my site. I can then go ahead and generate this into a website. And here we have it. And you can see it's made a very sensible graphic design layout. We've got this lovely typography here with a great sense of understanding of the content. It's outlined these into some facts. Stuck my photo in. Now, if you're not happy with this, I think it's a little bit big, I can simply resize it inside of the site. There we are, that's looking a lot better. Pop it in there. Maybe I'll even make myself a little bit smaller. Back when I had the old long hair. Now you can see here, it's created a variety of different layouts and automatically put all of our content in. And this gives us a whole host of possibilities. Now, if we want to implement the AI agent on this, we can go ahead and ask it to make everything more concise. And you can see here, we have the original and the modified shown in the chat. So this is great for quickly collaborating and elaborating on our project. Now, I certainly prefer the modified version. You can see here, it's put some elements in bold and it takes it up a little bit further. Now, once you're happy with this, you can go ahead and publish. And this means that you can share this live across the interwebs and anyone can access your site. I used to take ages fiddling around with different WordPress plugins and formats and templates to get a website online. But now we can get something professional in just a minute or two. But what I love about this is it's not just websites that we can create. There are a lot of creative use cases that come into our essential design process. For example, here is a set of Instagram posts that I created based on gym personalities that make everyone uncomfortable. So here we have a lovely consistency of visuals. You can see that the colors remain the same, the fonts remain the same, and even the style of the illustrations are consistent. We also have the possibility of being able to input infographics and diagrams, and this works very well as a carousel post on social media. Now, we can easily adapt it with some quick edits as well. So we might change the backgrounds to purple. And what I love about this is that the agent acts very fast. There are some AI platforms where the agents take minutes to do things and then it comes back with a number of errors that are completely irrelevant to what you wanted. Now you can also go into the theme directly and change that yourself, as well as having the possibility of creating your own custom theme. So I have one that I generated using my brand elements. This is my fonts and my colors. And you can see I can just quickly apply that and I have my lime green and black everywhere. So this is what I use for generating my presentations. But let me show you a few other creative ways that I've been making use of this. And one is to create an entire course outline. So if you are looking to create a new online course or any type of educational material, you can use this to outline the syllabus and visualize it in an engaging way. So I will select a presentation, we'll knock this down to 7 cards, and we'll ask it to create an online course syllabus for creating digital products with AI. Now, this is great for getting out the door and getting something made fast. One of the hardest things to do in any project is simply to get started, and this gets rid of that blank page problem. And here immediately we've got a whole number of modules that we can turn into a presentation. Now, what I love about this is we can actually see it generated in live real time. And you can see here we get a beautiful set of slides with great layouts that fit exactly what we're looking for. Now what's great about this is we can even use this in our courses as supplementary material. We can offer these as worksheets and guides for individuals to use themselves. And just even look at the imagery here. I think it's absolutely stunning. It looks so professional and I'm incredibly impressed with it. Look how beautiful these illustrations are and just how seamless they work together. I absolutely adore it. Now what's great is we can also improve this as we like with the agent. Now I might want to have an executive summary. So we're going to add a concise and scannable executive summary to the beginning right after the title card. And you can go ahead and edit the content just like that. Here is our lovely executive summary with a brand new illustration included, and it's rather damn useful. We're living through an age where the most important skill is to be a generalist and an orchestrator, where you're able to leverage AI tools to take control every part of the product design system. This is where you are defining the elements and also executing the design and creation of different services. This gives us so much potential to create value rapidly. Now, here is another creative way that we can make use of this, and that is for generating useful documents for people. So, I often go through a number of different prompts in my videos, and I like to offer these to everyone to download so they can use them themselves. And if you are interested in that, I've also created a whole list of sample prompts that you can use inside Gamma, which you can download for free in the link in the description below. These allow you to rapidly prototype a whole host of different types of projects. And we're going to get a little bit meta here because I will be using the same process I demonstrate here to make that exact document for you. So I will showcase how this works. What I do is I take the transcript from one of my videos. I then use ChatGPT to summarize the prompts for me. So I paste it all into ChatGPT and say extract out just the prompts from this. I then go to gamma.app/create. I go to generate. I then say create a prompt doc for these prompts neatly organized. I select a document. I can then copy all the content from ChatGPT and pop it into the document. We can then go to card by card and ask it to split the content directly up for us. Finally, I can go to generate and it's going to create a lovely document outlining all of the prompts that I wish to offer. And here you can see we're developing an entire guide from this transcript. So it becomes much more detailed and useful for people because it gives extra context. It outlines exactly how to work on each of these prompts, and it becomes an entire ebook of use. Now, we can publish this to a site, but in this example, I want to show you how we can export it. Because we can export it to a PDF or directly into a PowerPoint, Google Slides, or even PNGs. Now, I'll export this as a PDF, so it's easy to download for all user types. And then here I have it. I have this beautiful optimized document that we've created with AI that people can download, and it has this incredible level of accurate design. We've got beautiful infographics automatically created, our prompts pulled out into quotations, and it's an extremely useful way to generate meaningfully important documents. And there's actually a lot of different ways we can apply this. And you can create white papers, elegantly designed and laid out, as well as creating entire training guides that you can sell as digital products. These can be sold on platforms like Etsy or through your own personal sites. But we can also be creating entire ebooks. This could be a list of recipes or a training regime that you can sell as an influencer. One thing I particularly admire about this is the automated animations that it includes in the designs. In this example, as you load the page, you'll see that things don't just pop up all at once. There is this subtle level of animation, and as you flow down the page, they fade in. And it's these small details that give us such a beautiful sense of immersion. Now there's also a whole library of templates that you can explore inside of Gamma to get your inspiration flowing. Here is an example of a personal portfolio. So this is great if you are looking to demonstrate the type of work that you do across a whole different range of industries, whether you're a coach or a therapist, a photographer, an illustrator, a designer, or anyone showcasing their work. Now the use cases with social media are also extensive, and you can create post types for all sorts of different platforms. You can optimize these inside of the tool and create your very own theme distinctly for your brand. Now what I love about this is there's also the possibility to create some very engaging infographics and data visualizations, and we get to export these and post them extremely easily onto our own accounts. Now what's great about this is that you can try it out for free and you get 400 credits to give it a go. But if you want to upgrade, you can start off with the $10 a month plan, and that gives you 1,000 monthly credits, as well as the ability to use advanced AI image models. But if you really want to take this seriously, you can try the Pro account, which is $25 a month, and it gives you 4,000 monthly credits, and you have the access to creating custom branding and fonts. So if you're trying to create a presentation, a document, social media, or a website, AI is the place to do this. It's now possible to create all of these different use cases highly professional designs in just seconds using natural language. We also have the ability to update and change our content using AI agents, where we can rapidly change the style, the content, or the approach that we're looking to use. This unlocks a whole host of possibilities for not only creating digital products, but for also creating meaningful content to explain and express what we do. If you enjoyed this video, why not watch this one next, which is all about the possibilities of creating motion graphics with AI. But most of all, I want to thank you for watching, thank you for being here, and I wish you a delightful day.